My name is Michael Lehmicke. I'm the Director of Science and Industry Affairs at the Alliance for Regenerative Medicine. In my role at ARM, I focus on one of our main priorities, which is helping our stakeholders to overcome manufacturing issues and CMC issues in conjunction with regulators. We've been focusing with our members on these issues for several years, and they have become, over time, rate-limiting issues in the commercialization of regenerative medicine therapies. And 2020 in particular was a challenging year. We counted, I believe, 6 significant program delays that were related to CMC issues, related to things like potency assays and comparability studies. What we're seeing now is that the FDA in late stage programs is becoming more stringent in terms of their CMC requirements, which should not be surprising, but industry is also struggling because there's a lack of guidance about what is required from a CMC perspective, particularly at the BLA stage. We have a pretty good relationship with both FDA and EMA, and we are working with them to try to address some of these issues to get more clarity and consistency around communication of CMC requirements. We also looked at some encouraging developments like the recent release of the PRIME toolbox by EMA, which in our opinion is very forward-looking from a CMC perspective. I think though also we as an industry need to work on the development of best practices, which really the way the field has advanced haven't had the opportunity to develop yet the way they have in some other industries like the monoclonal antibody industry, for example.